this is a good one. You'll see I've been far and wide. Well, from my perception, there's nowhere further and wider than Sydney, Australia. And if you're going to stay in Sydney, Australia, well, when I stayed there, you stay at their #1 luxury voted hotel. I stayed there for one night. And I'm a member of Accor, so I got lots of deals and lots of upgrades, right? It was worth every penny, though. It was absolutely amazing. I've also stayed at the Ibis at Darling Harbour, and I stayed at the Novotel at Darling Square. I'm going to put links to those videos in the description below. There'll also be a link to the Sofitel, so you can get the 2025, 2026 best prices, depending on when you're watching this video. So the Sofitel Darling Harbour, it's just truly amazing, and one of the best hotels I've stayed at. The room I had was a corner room. I had these amazing views from the bathtub. Very bizarrely, the minibar was in the bathroom. Just, I don't know. Is that what they do in Australia? I don't know. Anyway, the bed, gorgeous, comfortable. The air conditioning, second to none. The blinds, the views. I did a little time-lapse of some dancing cranes. I'll put that up there. And then an infinity pool, champagne bar. Yeah, let's not forget the champagne bar. The last thing I did in this hotel was there's the upstairs champagne bar and the downstairs champagne bar. Yeah, you've got to have 2 champagne bars. I had 2 glasses of champagne before I departed. But yeah, it was an amazing experience. It was a wonderful hotel, and I would love to go back. So, but yeah, check out the full video, the tour of the room. And you can also check out the other options for Darling Harbour and Darling Square. But yeah, oh, I forget, their Millesime Club. If you're a loyalty card holder with Accor, platinum or diamond card holder, you get in the lounge. Well, I didn't need to go into the restaurants because I had dinner in here and breakfast in here. So all I needed to do was go in the champagne bars, which was a chore. Anyway, no idea where we're going to be talking about tomorrow, but we are going to be talking about somewhere. So it would be lovely to see you tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.